Hi, my name is Christina, and in this video we will be doing a deep dive into one of the concepts that allows Hub to be efficient when dealing with datasets. And we'll be doing a deep dive on dynamic tensors which power Hub streaming. In this video, we will cover current ways of transferring images to a server and the problems they have, and we will also cover how Hub can efficiently transfer images to a server. A common task in machine learning is transferring images to a server over a network from a huge dataset. And current solutions for transferring images from your local machine to a server involve moving each image after the previous image is finished downloading. And this is a very inefficient way to transfer images to a server. Another way people transfer images from S3 to a server is by moving images in a batch manner. This comes with problems as well, as batches come in different shapes and sizes and images may be too large. And although this is more efficient than moving images one by one, it is not realistic as images and file sizes are not the same size. And another way people transfer images from S3 to a server is by converting the image dataset into a zip file and then breaking down the zip file into chunks to send to the server. And the problem with this is that you cannot access the files or search the files until you open and unzip a file to look at a specific image. And this is where Hub comes in. Hub allows you to transfer many large images efficiently over the internet. Hub also provides you access to an index without a complete download of the dataset, and it allows you to transfer images of different sizes over the internet. And a good analogy for how Hub works is when you go shopping. When you go shopping, you often have several plastic bags filled with items, and this is a very good analogy for chunks. All bags will have various items of various sizes, and some items can only fit inside one bag. For example, a bag of sugar can only fit inside one shopping bag. However, some other bags can contain many items, such as the bread and the tomatoes. So the way Hub works is, if you can imagine, we have a bunch of files of different sizes that are stored on a folder on S3, and then Hub can convert this dataset to a Hub dataset. And the Hub dataset will have an index and chunks. And the sizes of the chunks are determined by what is the most efficient way to transfer the images across the internet. And each image on S3 will have a number, which is that image's index. Hub first fills up the chunk with as many images till the chunk is full, and then each image will be assigned an index value that corresponds to the chunk it is in. And if your server is trying to download the dataset, Hub will download the datasets in batches in an efficient manner. For example, if the batch size is 3, Hub will look at the chunk and see where those images are located. Then Hub will download only those chunks. In this example, the 3 images are in chunk A, so Hub will download chunk A onto the server. And the images will be cached so you don't have to re-download the chunks, and this is more efficient as Hub combined the 3 images into one file that is faster to be transferred to a server over the internet. And this is more efficient than transferring them individually. And if you change the batch size to 9, Hub will be told to download the images 1 through 9. So in parallel, Hub will download the 3 chunks. Then Hub will cache each of these images. And since you can transfer images in bundles over a network, this way of transferring images to a server is much more efficient. And that's it for this deep dive on Hub data streaming.